What's up, everybody? It's Glenn from Success AI Hub Corp. Here. Today, we're diving into the world of AI to supercharge your lawn care business. You don't need to be a tech genius for this. We're talking about simple, easy-to-use tools that can take your business from 0 to 100 real quick. So, buckle up, smash that like button, because things are about to get wild. Let's kick things off with scheduling, the one thing that eats up more time than a lawnmower on overdrive. We've all been there, phone glued to your ear, juggling appointments. But fear no more, because AI chatbots are here to save the day. Imagine a customer on your website, desperate for your lawn whispering magic. Instead of playing phone tag, they get a friendly AI chatbot. This isn't some clunky robot voice. We're talking smooth, human-like interaction. The chatbot's got your back, asking all the right questions. What's your location? What kind of lawn SOS do you require? When would you like us to work our magic? It's like having a 24/7 receptionist who never sleeps, never complains, and runs solely on electricity. And the best part? This AI Einstein integrates with your schedule, plugging in appointments with precision. No more double bookings, no more missed calls, just pure, unadulterated lawn care efficiency. You'll be saving so much time, you might even squeeze in that family vacation you've been putting off. Real deal tools like Booksy or Jobber are ready to transform your business. Your customers will love it too, booking appointments with the click of a button. Diagnosing a sick lawn isn't always easy. Is that a nitrogen deficiency or just a stubborn patch of grass? But hold on to your hats, folks, because AI is about to turn you into a lawn-whispering Sherlock Holmes. We're talking about AI-powered image recognition that's so advanced it can spot a grub infestation from space. Imagine this. A customer sends you a picture of their lawn looking like a scene from a post-apocalyptic movie. Panic sets in, right? Not so fast. This is where the magic happens. You upload that picture to your trusty AI-powered lawn analysis app. Think TurfCloud or Taranis. These bad boys are like having a team of lawn experts at your fingertips. The AI scans the image, analyzing every blade of grass, every suspicious brown spot, and just like that, boom, you've got a diagnosis. The AI tells you exactly what's going on, whether it's pests, disease, or just a serious case of thirst. It's like having X-ray vision for your lawn, revealing all its hidden secrets. This AI genius doesn't just diagnose the problem, it also recommends the perfect treatment plan. No more second guessing, no more wasted trips, just laser-focused solutions that'll have your customers doing the lawn care happy dance. You'll look like an absolute pro, even if you can't tell a dandelion from a daisy. Let's talk about everyone's least favorite game, beat the clock and the traffic. You've got a schedule packed tighter than a clown car at a circus, and every red light feels like a personal attack on your time. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon to outsmart the traffic gods? Get ready to have your mind blown, because AI-powered route optimization is about to change the lawn care game forever. Forget those old-school paper maps and gut feelings. We're talking about next-level technology. Imagine plugging all your appointments into an AI-powered system like Optimo Route or Route for Me. These platforms are like the Google Maps of lawn care, but on steroids. The AI analyzes everything. Traffic patterns, real-time road closures, even the weather forecast to create the most efficient route imaginable. It's like having a personal chauffeur who knows every shortcut, every back alley, every secret route to shave precious minutes off your day. And the best part? This isn't just about saving time, it's about saving you serious cash. Less time on the road means less fuel guzzled, which means more money in your pocket. We're talking about boosting your profits while simultaneously saving the planet. Whether you're a one-man show or a small team, these tools can revolutionize your workflow. Imagine fitting in more jobs per day, wowing your customers with your punctuality, and still having time to catch the game or meet the family for dinner. There's nothing worse than a surprise equipment breakdown. It's like a punch to the gut, bringing your entire operation to a screeching halt. Suddenly, you're scrambling for spare parts, juggling rescheduled appointments, and watching your profits disappear. But fear no more, my friends, because AI is about to become your lawn care guardian angel, predicting the future of your equipment with spooky accuracy. We're talking about AI-powered sensors that are so smart, they make Nostradamus look like an amateur. Imagine this. You're cruising through a job, lawnmower humming like a well-oiled machine, when suddenly your phone buzzes. It's your AI assistant, and it's got some news. "Hey Glennis," it says, "I've been monitoring your lawnmower's vibrations, and it looks like the belt's about to go. You might want to order a replacement, just in case." These AI-powered sensors are constantly monitoring every whir, every clunk, every tiny change in your machines. They can detect wear and tear before it even becomes a problem, alerting you to potential issues long before they turn into catastrophic breakdowns. This proactive approach isn't just about avoiding downtime. It's about saving you a mountain of cash. Think about it. A simple belt replacement is way cheaper than a complete engine overhaul. Marketing can feel like navigating a minefield blindfolded. You're throwing money at social media ads, crafting witty email campaigns, and hoping something will stick. But hold on to your hats, folks, because AI is about to transform you into a marketing maestro. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can predict what your customers want before they even know it themselves. Imagine this. You're relaxing after a long day of lawn care domination, when suddenly your phone buzzes. It's your AI marketing assistant, and it's got some exciting news. "Hey Glennis," it says, "I've been analyzing your customer data, and it looks like most people book lawn care services at the beginning of spring. How about we launch a killer early bird discount to reel them in?" AI can analyze mountains of data in the blink of an eye, uncovering hidden patterns and insights. We're talking about identifying your ideal customers, predicting their needs, and crafting laser-focused marketing campaigns. AI can automate your entire marketing funnel, from sending personalized email blasts to scheduling social media posts at the optimal time. Imagine waking up to a flood of new leads, your inbox overflowing with booking requests, all thanks to the power of AI. There you have it, folks. We've unlocked the power of AI, and your lawn care business will never be the same. From scheduling appointments with chatbot wizards to diagnosing lawn diseases with AI X-ray vision, we've covered it all. No more wasted time, no more inefficient routes, and definitely no more surprise breakdowns. With AI on your side, you'll be optimizing your business, boosting your profits, and leaving your competition in the dust. By using AI, your lawn care business can automate bookings, quickly diagnose, and solve lawn problems, save fuel, reduce equipment downtime, and increase revenue through smart AI marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your business with Success AI Hub Corp. Check our website for a free overview of how we can help you use AI to grow, or call us to get the 611 on the best AI for you at 1-877-7800-611.